Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to show or hide notification bell icon in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. In Windows 11, you can show or hide the notification bell icon directly from the Settings app. Turning it off removes the bell from the taskbar, while turning it on restores it. Steps: press Windows key +I to open Settings. Navigate to System, then Notifications. Click on Notifications and locate Show Notifications Bell icon. Check the option. Checked, bell icon appears in the taskbar system tray. Unchecked, bell icon is hidden. Important notes: hiding the bell does not disable notifications. You'll still receive alerts, but you won't see the icon. You can always access notifications by pressing Windows key +N, opens Notification Center. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.